This short video is to demonstrate how to change the BACnet addressing and parameters on a Kamstrup heat meter. To be able to perform the address changes and parameter changes, you will need an optical head, which is available from StockShed. Details on the meter there, which has a USB connection on the other end as such. So basically it's an optical head with a USB connection. You plug that into your laptop, like so, and to connect the optical head onto the meter you will see two plastic lugs here and here. This magnetically snaps onto the front of the meter, but it's no good like that. It must be seated between the two plastic lugs at the bottom. So these two plastic lugs, make sure the optical head is seated firmly against those. Doesn't really matter where the cable is, as long as it's seated against the two plastic lugs. And over to your laptop, if you then load Meter Tool, so Meter Tool is the free software that you will need to configure the BACnet module that's inside the meter. So once Meter Tool loads, again you can get the software from StockShed. You click on the connect button and then into the modules on the left hand side. Click onto that, and the BACnet module is actually a base module, which you will see listed at the bottom. So you click onto BACnet and it will bring up the parameters screen. And what you need to do first of all is to read the module or the parameters and the address as such, and you will see this particular meter has got a primary address of 98, and that will be because of the serial number. The last three digits you can see 898. The primary address can be a maximum of up to 250, so 898 is clearly too large for that, so it truncates the primary address to the last two digits, and being 98 in this case. So to change the address, quite simple. If you wanted that to be 120, you click on the change the address in the primary address field, and then if there are any other parameters that you need to change down here, you can do so. But in this demonstration we're just changing the primary address. Click on configure and then that screen will disappear. If you want to check that it's loaded correctly, click onto BACnet again, and then you can read it, and this time you will see that the address has retained as 120, and that will stay there even in the event of a power failure. The same with the other parameters down here. If you wanted to change them, you can click on read, and then you can change any of these parameters to match your settings for your BMS, and then click configure and the screen will disappear, and that's it. Any questions, you can give us a call. StockShed, our telephone number is shown on the screen now.